Peace, everyone. Uja. So I haven't given you guys an update in a long time, and that's because I've been like super busy. So let's go. I'll start with well, I won't call it bad news because it came in front of a serious blessing. So the original business owner that decided, that he was going to let us use his property for the Waldorf Joint Community Garden, he pulled out. He kind of ghosted us. No, not kind of. He really ghosted us. So I spent the next, couple of weeks or so, literally, like, I hit the ground running, and I was like, oh my gosh, I can't, I refuse to fail. This is like, everybody's counting on me, I was like, okay, what can I do? So I just started asking all around. I mean, everywhere and anywhere. I asked if anybody knew anyone that had any land that we could use for farming. Something with the kids, something for people who want to learn, something for people who just want to get dirty, something for people who love the earth, that kind of thing. And we were blessed with a farm. It's actually a homeowner who used to raise horses, and he has graciously allowed us to use his property to farm. So the downside is, for some of us, it's not in Charles County. It is in PG County. It is in Accokeek. It's not far from the 228 turn. It's actually really close to that. Takes me about, like 15 minutes door to door to get here from my house. But since this owner has let us use his land, I've been trying to get it started. I don't think it's necessarily a suitable location for renting plots, but it is definitely a wonderful location for us to come and do, some classes, some how-tos. It's definitely some super fertile land. So I've been out here working with Farmer Winnie, trying to get this fence up. Here, let me show you. Yeah, so sorry about that, guys. So here we are at the Big Red Barn. That's kind of been our staging location. And this is how far we've gotten with the fence. When I left here on Friday, this whole side was up, but with the rain and things like that, it fell down. We hadn't braced it with these things yet. So anyone that is inclined to come and help and volunteer, it is graciously accepted. Just bring a hand drill, a circular saw, bring anything, bring 2 hands. Your help is definitely needed and definitely appreciated. So just to give you a little tour, I do have a resident groundhog that I will be working on a evacuation plan, because he came and ate already. I planted some sunflower seeds. He came and chopped those up already. So, but yeah. So this is a tour of the space that we have to grow. And so the fencing project needs to be finished, and the water barrels, we're definitely going to be as eco-friendly as possible. So I purchased 5 water barrels, and those need to be assembled and attached to the drain pipe. And there's also a spring nearby, which I was like, wow, I wonder what we could kind of do with that. But there goes my mind. But first things first. So just so you see, this is some really, really, really fertile land. It's ready for us to come in and get our hands dirty. Though I, always would have preferred the no-till method. The landowner and the rest of the other 5 farmers that are in the area, they suggested we start out with tilling to just get rid of, since we didn't have wood chips, to get rid of the grass. So anyone who wants to come out, get their hands dirty, please send me a message. I will be out here frequently, especially this week. School is out. Any kids, teens, little ones that want to come out and dig in the dirt, we will be planting seeds and getting this fence project finished. So it took us like an hour to do that side, and another like maybe an hour and a half to get this side standing up. So I don't expect this project to take too long, but I need hands. So I need, you know, bodies, hands, drills. So anyone who is duly inclined, please feel free to come on down and hang out at Good Gardens. So dua to everyone, and talk to you soon.